Hello guys, welcome to DVK TV. So I bought this Xiaomi induction cooker. Now it's very easy to use. Just switch it on. So now this is the timing. You can choose how long you want to start cooking. Then this is the steamboat, steam, porridge, fry veggie, fry stuff. So yeah, it's pretty simple. And I press again, this is gonna heat up. If you can hear the sound, that's the power is on already. Last but not least, it also come with the app you can download, which is this way. You see, you will turn on. I choose the steamboat style, and yeah, very good to use. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you.